Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make the homemade humidifier for your snake. It was requested by Isaac Torres, or Isaiah Torres or something like that. I don't have my computer with me right now. So, here are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a towel, you're going to need tape, and some scissors. And whatever kind of marker you have that can write on towel. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this. Okay, let me get the top off real fast. I'll put this right there. I'm going to be showing you how to make it on paper because my mom won't let me use another towel because I already messed that red one up that I have on my cage. So here's the towel. You lay it flat like that, completely flat. Make sure there's no wrinkles. Like I have wrinkles, but I'm not using the towel. Okay, so you can kind of see how I'm going to make it, but I have my examples that I'm going to use. So say this right here was the cage top. It was the cage that goes on top of the. This is the cage top that goes on top of the cage, and this is the towel. The paper is the towel. Okay. Here's the cage top on the towel, as it's seen right there. And this is the heat lamp I'm going to be using today. My makeshift heat lamp. You don't really need to make a heat lamp hole if you don't have a heat lamp. But, okay, so you're going to want to trace along the edges about an inch away from the cage. You know, trace like that. About an inch away. All the way around. Okay. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that on the paper, aka the towel. Or the towel, aka the paper, whatever you want to say. So an inch away like that. Sorry. Okay. See how I traced around it? That is supposed to look like that when I trace around this. So let me cut it out real fast. Let me find a cap for my black marker. So I'm going to show you my snake while I cut this out real quick. Alright. So with the towel it's going to take a while, maybe like 20 minutes to cut it out along the edges. Because that's how long it took me, and it's pretty hard. So that's really the only hard part. Just making this is pretty easy. By the way, I have a regular ball python. It's not het pie, or it's just regular. So I cut this out now. Okay. Now that I cut it out, as you can see, you want to tape it to the edges like this. See how I did this? This used to be flat outwards, and then I taped it underneath the cage so it doesn't come off. I hope you guys know what I'm saying. I'm going to show you how to do it right here. It's easier to do it with paper since you can fold the paper. But really, you just want to fold it like that. Get your tape ready. Oh wait, I missed a step, okay. So before you do any of that, sorry, you want to take your towel. See, you want to take your towel, your cutout towel, and then you want to put your heat lamp on top of that. Doesn't matter if it's on the right or left side, just make one hole for your heat lamp, like right there. And then draw about 1/2 inch in diameter around your heat lamp on the towel, like that, so the heat lamp doesn't burn the towel and it catches on fire. Kind of had to think this through, you know. Like that. So now this is approaching the most difficult part. You're going to want to get a knife. And then, because with the towel it's harder than just poking a hole in the paper. You know, you're going to want to get a knife and cut one of the sides of the circle to get you started on cutting the circle out. So, you can look at my snake again while I do this. It's hard. Sorry you can't really see my snake. He's shedding right now. And he doesn't really like to be out. It's really difficult. That's all done. So, now we can get to this part. Putting that on there, like that, to make it look like that. Okay, so, let's put you how I was before. And then, if you cut your towel wrong, just put it under the edges of the cage top. And I'll start with tape because I used it all for the towel. Put like that, right? Put more tape than I'm putting. I'm just putting this much because I'm almost out. Put like three to 4 pieces of tape, and I am almost out. 3 to 4 pieces of tape on each side. Okay, guys? To make sure that it traps the heat in. One more side to go. So you're going to want to make it look like that. It's kind of messed up. That's because it's made out of paper. And you can kind of see the resemblance in it. So that's how you do it. Like I was saying, if you cut the towel wrong to where it's longer than this, just fold it over the edges. See, I think I folded some. See this one right here? I folded it over the edges because I cut it too long. But it should turn out to look like this. You can pick your own color. It looks pretty cool, actually. And I hope this helped. yeah. If you want to, you can tape under here so the heat doesn't get out, because that's what I did. And you're probably wondering how the snake gets air circulation. Well, that is why, look, that's why. You cut 1/2 inch in diameter. See how some of the cage tank is showing? And, yeah. The air comes out through there. Or goes in through there. So you can, I'll show you it in work on my cage tank. I've used it for 2 weeks now and it's never caught on fire. See how it's cut like that? And it keeps the cage real warm. And if you want humidity, you can spray it on the top, and you can lift up the cage like this and spray it underneath. Yeah, it works good. So, subscribe if you want. Just if you think it's good, you can subscribe, please. Yeah. And that's it. If you want any more requests for my snake and stuff, making a shed video, just request anything about reptiles, you know. So I hope this helped you guys a lot, and you'll see me in another video next time. Peace.